Welcome back to Jeremy's World 10. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix your water heater. The last thing I want is you guys stranded out in that cold snow, who knows where. You're out in the desert, you want a hot shower, and all of a sudden you go to press that button and you get in there and it's just freezing cold and you're like, I wish I could fix this. Well, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Not only that, I'm gonna show you a part that you're gonna wanna carry on your RV. It's gonna blow your mind when you realize how simple and easy this is to fix. So make sure you watch it. I'll show you the part number at the end of this video, but let's jump into fixing this thing. This is a Jayco 24B. My control panel is set up right here on the interior, the entryway of my RV. I'm gonna have it where I can turn on my water pump, and I'm also able to turn on my hot water heater. Now, I'm not hooked up to electric, so I'm gonna wanna turn it on to gas. So as I hit that, typically you're going to hear the pilot kick on, and that's gonna start heating up your water tank. Well, I turned it on and it's not doing anything. I want to take that warm shower, but I'm not going to be able to unless I fix this. Let me show you how to do that. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the panel in which your hot water heater is behind. I'm going to go ahead and turn this right here and I can flip it down. Now you can see as I open this up, there's a whole lot of craziness going on in here. And this is the igniter, and that's where you would typically have your flame. Now, here's the part that goes bad. What happens is a lot of times you see all these wires just kind of hanging out here. Well, what happens is it's gonna heat up this diode that's in here and allow that to go bad. I'm gonna grab a pair of pliers, I'm gonna pull this apart, I'm gonna show you how to do it and how to change it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna make sure that my power is going to be, I don't have this turned on at all on the inside, okay? So the first thing I can come and I can unhook it from there. So that's gonna be my power wire to it. So now I'm gonna come to the other side of that and I'm gonna pull this off. And there is my diode. Now, what's crazy is it almost looks like it's heat shrink wrapped together. Well, it's not supposed to actually look like that. Let me show you the new part we're gonna be putting in. So this is the part, this is the new part and what it looks like. So you can see that this is the old part. It's gonna have both a male and female connector on it, which is gonna be nice. So you can't put it the wrong way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna ditch this one, the old one, and let's install the new one. So the first one I'm going to do is you're gonna notice that's the female side right there. So I can go ahead and I'm going to put the female side on the RV side, and you can see that's just hanging out now. So now what I can do is I'm gonna take the female and connect it to this male. Now, the other thing that I'm gonna wanna make sure that I do is that I bend this kind of out of the way and keep that over here to the right side. I don't want that to be getting hot over this flame, which could cause that to go bad as well. So we got it all hooked up. Let's check it out, make sure it works. Guys, wasn't that simple? So I hope I just saved you a ton of money avoiding that call to the mobile service RV company to come out and just fix that super simple part. If you found anything in this video informative, or heck, maybe you just like hanging out with this crazy guy here, smash that subscribe button, as I'm gonna be putting out a lot more videos of tips and tricks about your RVs and all kinds of other craziness that's going on in this wild melon, guys. And if you want a link to this part, I'll put it down below in the description. I hope you had some fun hanging out with me. I'm Jeremy from Jeremy's World 10. See you in the next video.